So this video is going to show you how to work with text for your logo. So the text tool is just up here, you can see. And I'm going to also show you how to use word art as well. So if I just grab the text box and put it in here, the first thing I want to do is choose a suitable font. So at the moment it's set to Arial size 14, which isn't very interesting. So I'm going to grab one of my fonts from here, and you can see there's lots and lots of fonts already installed on my Google Drawing app. If you don't have these, you can go to More Fonts, and you can try and find something cool for your logo. So maybe you're trying to find something exciting that makes it seem like a really cool ride. So maybe this lobster one's useful. So if you tick it, it means it will add it to the list. Okay, so I'm going to then use that font now. So I'm going to call mine something to do with my surname, which is Wilson. And let's set that to 48. Okay, maybe I want that a bit bigger. Let's go with 60. Now, standard text, all you can do with it is you can put in the text and you can change the colour. So maybe I want to go with red. Yeah, but if you want to do something slightly more interesting, you can insert word art. Now the thing with word art is, let me just put the text in. What you can do is you can change the font on word art just like the previous one, but you can also, you notice, put a line around the edge of it. So maybe I'm going to go with the same colour, and I'm going to have a nice, let's go with the black line, but we can even change the thickness of that line, look. Okay, so that's something you can't do with normal text, but with both of them, in the format options, we can also play around with all kinds of features, look. So we can rotate it, and so on and so forth, look. But we can also put drop shadows onto it. So a drop shadow gives a nice little subtle effect, you can see. So I click back on there again, and I can change that, so I can change the colour of the shadow, so I could kind of turn it into a glow, and if I increase the distance, look, all kinds of fun things I can do with it. We have to be careful not to do too much, but you can see some really nice features. And then lastly, we can add reflection if you want to, and that applies to both kinds of text. Now lastly, just remember that you don't have to use the same kind of font for all of your writing. So I've got this one here, and maybe for the rest of my theme park name, I don't want to use the same kind of font. So let's go with something a bit more simple. Let's go with this Didact one. And I'm going to bold it. And I'm going to make it a bit smaller. And then I'm also going to go with a different colour. So let's go with orange. There we go. Make sure it fits. And then align it up. Can you see the red line there? That means I'm aligning the text with the rest of it. So I'll just move that up a little bit. And I've got a nice little logo, and I could even just leave it at that, but I'm going to show you in the next video how we can add some images to it.